In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite people in Trello. Once you had already logged in your Trello account, to add members, click on Members here. Go to Invite Workspace Members. Type in their email address. Here, you can also send them personalized message. After that, you can just click the Send Invite or send them the link for invite, and your invited members will reflect here. They will just confirm it in their email, and then you have now your new member. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!